This is what it looks like to drive into a brand new construction community. In case you've never seen one built out from literal scratch, I'm showing you all the things today, taking you down the roads, showing you what inventory homes they're starting out with initially, and taking you through the latest development here. We're in Beacon Point at Lagomar in Texas City, and located right off Interstate 45. Really quick commute up to downtown Houston if you're going up that way. Even if you're staying around here in the surrounding area to be close to family, or if you're working around here, it's great for that. Just a few months back in May, this was absolutely nothing but raw land. No homes had started yet, no digging, no nothing. Just a single path into the community. I walked you through it. So if you want to go see what it looked like back then, just go back a few months through my channel and I've posted a video about it there. Three main builders here for now: Coventry Homes, Chesmar Homes, and David Weekley. They're all pretty much starting around the same price, low to mid 300s starting out, going into the mid 400s or so for their larger 3,000 and up square feet. So far, a handful of homes have started. As you can see, I'm kind of taking you through around what's here in the community so far. The builder model homes are going up right now as we speak. Two are not quite finished yet. David Weekley's model is the only one fully done right now. So of course, I'm going to walk you through it and give you a tour of their model, the 2-story Myrtle plan. So with this plan, you can customize it. It's 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, depending on what you need. You can configure things how you want. The model itself shows 4 beds and 3 full baths. I love that this plan has a study and 2 bedrooms on the first floor. You guys also love that. Game room upstairs, and of course it's open to below, but it's not necessarily open to below where you would think it is. One of the things David Weekley, I think, does incredibly well is incorporate an open to below layout, not in the main living area, but in the dining space, and usually that is near the stairwell. A lot of times you see in the 2-story open to below plans that it's in the main area. So you're kind of looking at the open to below that goes into like the game area, the game room area usually. But I think this is what really makes David Weekley have an edge over other builders as far as putting the open to below in the dining area. As far as the community goes, amenities will include a clubhouse. They'll be putting in a pool, splash pad. They'll have pickleball courts out there, walking trails overlooking the lake, and then quite a few home sites will be on the lake itself. And 2, I think, out of the 3 builders are starting their very first section around that lake. So if that's of interest to you, I would really start inquiring about what lots are available, and I can help you with that. Dickinson ISD schools, these builders are bringing some real quality here, and they're adding and selecting features to be standard here that not every builder offers. So I really like that. We're talking about sprinklers front and back, grass, sod front and back, and tankless water heaters, things like that. Much more info to come. Reach out for specifics on plans, pricing, and incentives.